Good morning, everyone. Mayor Steve Wilder here from the city of North Canton on what we have here Thursday, January the 14th. Folks, yesterday in my community update, I had spoken about the Stark County Health Department that they would come out with a media release on how to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. And I received that late in the afternoon, and so I wanted to get this out on the air. It is on our social media platforms, but I still wanted to make an announcement for us. This is out of Jackson Township. The Stark County Health Department is launching the registration process for individuals in Phase 1B who are wanting to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. The department will start scheduling those 80 years of age and older beginning on 9 a.m. Thursday, that is today. So they began at 9 a.m. this morning, Thursday, January the 14th. Others 65 years of age and older and those with congenital or developmental disorders will be placed on a waiting list until it is their time to receive the vaccine. Now, those wishing to schedule and register for the vaccine can call this number, 330-353-9010. Again, that is 330-353-9010, where they will hear a recorded prompt to leave their information. A representative will give them a call back shortly to schedule their appointment or to register their information so that when their week comes, they can be scheduled. Residents can also visit starkhealth.org. That is starkhealth.org to learn more about the process. Now, the clinic will be held at the Whippledale Center, and that's the home of the Stark County Board of Developmental Disabilities, located at 2950 Whipple Avenue Northwest, Canton, Ohio, 44708. Now, again, that is right at the corner of Hills and Dales and Whipple Avenue. So it's going to be at the Whippledale Center. Now, according to Kirkland Norris, they're pleased to announce the first major vaccination clinic to the community where they can fight against COVID-19. So the Stark County Health Department is asking for our patience as they start this process and offer a reminder to all Stark County that as they begin, there will be a limited supply of the vaccine to start. And those registered should bring a state-issued ID or driver's license and an insurance card. And the following Ohioans will become eligible for COVID-19 vaccines during Phase 1B. And this phase will also include an additional phased-in approach with new eligible populations added weekly, beginning the week of January the 19th. The tentative timeline to start vaccinating the Phase 1B population following the process outlined is as follows. The week of January the 18th, vaccine providers will begin receiving their first allotment of vaccines for those ages 80 and older. Week of January the 25th, vaccinations begin for those ages 75 and up. Again, vaccinations will also be available to those with severe congenital, developmental, or early onset medical disorders. The week of February the 1st, vaccinations will begin for those ages 70 and up. And the week of February the 8th, vaccinations will begin for those ages 65 and up. And again, the Phase 1B, those Ohioans eligible to receive the COVID vaccine are ages 65 and older. Ohioans with congenital or developmental disorders, and that includes cerebral palsy, spina bifida, congenital heart disease, sorry about that. Let me back up. Ohioans with congenital or developmental disorders includes cerebral palsy, spina bifida, congenital heart disease, type 1 diabetes, inherited metabolic disorders, severe neurological disorders, including epilepsy, severe genetic disorders, including Down syndrome, Fragile X, Prader-Willi syndrome, and Turner syndrome, severe lung disease, including cystic fibrosis and severe asthma, sickle cell anemia, and alpha and beta thalassemia, excuse me. And then adult K through 12 school employees. Please note schools will register through a separate process through their school or district. Schools planning in-person or hybrid learning effective March 1st, 2011, or excuse me, 2021. I'm sorry. Let's see, it goes on. When a new group begins, vaccinations may not be complete for the previous age group. It will take a number of weeks to distribute the vaccine to all groups, given the limited doses available. The department is still currently vaccinating those listed in Phase 1A, which includes Stark County frontline workers. So the second shots are already going out to the frontline workers. Now the question is, where you live in Stark County matter? And yes, it does. The health department will be issuing the COVID-19 vaccine to those in its jurisdiction. And the Stark County Health Department represents the following areas. And I'll go through them: Bethlehem Township, Canton Township, Jackson Township, Lake Township, Lawrence Township, Lexington Township, Marlboro Township, Osnaburg Township, Paris Township, Perry Township, Pike Township, Plain Township, Sandy Valley Township, Sugar Creek Township, Tuscarawas Township, Washington Township, Village of Beach City, the Village of Brewster, Village of East Canton, Village of Hartville, Village of Hills and Dales, Village of Magnolia, Village of Myers Lake, and Village of Minerva, and Village of Navarre, Village of Waynesburg, Village of Wilmot, the City of Canal Fulton, the City of Louisville, and our city, the City of North Canton. Those, and also Nimishillen Township. All right. Again, North Canton is covered under the Stark County Health Department. Now, those people who live in the cities of Alliance, Canton, and Massillon, all right, they need to reach out to their health departments because their process may differ from the Stark County Health Department. So if you live in Alliance, Massillon, or Canton, they have their own individual health departments. For us here in North Canton, we are covered under the Stark County Health Department. So I just wanted to get that information out to you. Again, the phone number to call for pre-scheduling is 330-353-9010. And I already heard from one constituent. Please bear in mind, it took them a half an hour to get through. They weren't happy about it, but I'm not sure what their call-in process is. I'm the messenger, so it may take you a half an hour or so to get through, or you may be able to get through right away. It probably depends on the time that you're calling and the availability of the people to receive the information at the call-in center. So all I can ask of you is to be patient, but we do have this information on our, I believe, our website and Facebook. So just wanted to get that information out to you. Have a good weekend, stay safe, and hopefully the vaccinations will come through in a orderly and timely manner. So thank you very much. Stay safe and keep well. Steve Wilder here. Thank you.